Attorney Alexis Miranda.
Anong kaso?
Your Honor, this woman is not a criminal. She protected herself from the man who was meant to protect her.
Miss Valencia, could you tell me how many times you have sex in one day? Is it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day? Give me a number.
Gusto mong pumunta ng Europe?
Parang maganda daw dun sa Florence.
Bukas may mapag
Ano lahat ng yan? What we were just colleagues last. Get it now. You just...
ng kapon.
Mahirap kasi sa inyo mga babae kasi you're too emotional.
So, sino dito yung lalaki? Gusto at pinagpalit ka sa anak ng boss mo?
Ito ang honeymoon.
Saan ba mas romantic? Sa Paris ba o sa Florence?
Ever since nakita tayo, hindi na G ka sa akin.
Ano nga yung G na G?
Gwapong-gwapo.
Sunod-sunod pagkapanalo mo, Attorney Miranda. Good job.
Ako'y babangon.
Lagi akong sinasabi sa mga tao, most of the things I've learned about being a lawyer, I learned them from you.
Mananatiling nakatindig.
But you know what? One day, we will cross paths, and I'll be strong enough. I'll be strong enough to tell everyone. See you in court.